Hi guys, welcome to this ArcoLinux system. It's actually pure Arch, right? Always go back to the pure Arch if there are things you have to need to investigate or have a look at, and you say, why is this doing this or doing that? And always install Arch and then test it out. And it applies to, this advice applies to anything ArcoLinux. All the distros based on Arch, check it out if it's the same on pure Arch. How did I make this pure Arch? Actually, I've made it by myself. There is this new teaching project, educational project, which is called ArcoLinux App, and I really started with making well, 21 videos I think at this point in time, maybe 22 there, and we've explained everything, right? Explain how to create all these labels and what's behind it. If we click this and click that, and the only thing you require basically is knowledge, right? Knowledge. What will be put behind here? Scripts, package names, and then some coding, GTK and Python. So what I've done is I've created my own personal ArcoLinux ISO. Look at the date. It's now the 30th, so the last day, and the 1st of May, ArcoLinux always releases their ISO, but we have it now. If you install the ArcoLinux app, click on the button create, and what you get inside here in your root, you get this ISO, the ArcoLinux.iso, right? So you can have it any time of the month up to date. That's one of the ideas here. Keys is always an issue wherever I go, Red Hat or Ubuntu, whatever, keys, right? So fix the keys. The script that's behind there is the fixed keys of ArcoLinux. Apply best service is my best service, right? It's also a project for me, not for anybody else basically, but for educational purposes there, but use and yeah, voila, use it if you like, right? So the keys in the mirror lists and the pacman.conf, they need to be installed. It says now remove, which means it is installed, and if it's not installed, it says install. So now I can do this already, but on a pure Arch, right? So these are the extra lines, so I can install any of the 800 packages that are on ArcoLinux. But if you are on a pure Arch, what I do is first install Firefox, then I go to seed host, to the ArcoLinux. Maybe we should just go up here, enter. So this probably you've seen already, and the AAG is here. But these are all the repos, right? Repo third party, ISO, submicron, wallpapers. So things are in here. So if I want to have a package, all you need to do is just decide to click on it. And then it's downloaded, and then you install it. Is it simple as that? So, I don't know, wallpapers here, for example, ArcoLinux wallpaper, ArcoLinux wallpapers, actually, right? You go here. Everything gets downloaded, and I've installed the app dev, ArcoLinux app, I've installed SophieRem, I've installed Yay and Paru, and the ArcoLinux wallpapers. All you need to remember is to sudo pacman minus u, and then the ArcoLinux wallpapers. And that's it. They're installed, right? So it's easy peasy. Download. Handpick what you want, and then you install it, and then you have all these applications ready, available on this thing. So yes, everything is working just fine. That's the test, of course. The video is the next video in the range in this series of the ArcoLinux app. That's the thing, and there is actually a place. We point to it if you saw. Let's see, YouTube. ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux app. What do we get, right? I've made something terrible here. Micron. So here he is, app 1, app 9, app 13. So yeah, we find already the links to this particular project, right? And if all is well, but I did it at some point. Let's see, at the last one of the last ones, you see here the link to the GitHub, right? So have a look at this. There's the second one. This is the app. Then there's the app dev development. So both of them are relevant if you want to see what's in the code and where we came from and where we're going to, right? Things like that. But there is also the website link, and that's this: how to create a GTK3 application with Python. Use it as a template, so you can use it for anything, right? Use it for your own scripts, change it, adapt it, rename it, and everything is recorded. I've made a lot of mistakes, but in the end it does work, and that's what's matter in a hobby anyway. Learn from my victories, right? And this is the look that we had then. In the meantime, we have here, there's another thing in my mind, in my brain, that I would like to create your personal ArcoLinux B or XL or XS ISOs, and then just a drop down, build that one, create, and then we get, poof, an ISO. And here they all are, 22 of them, so no more text, just binge watch and learn, or just look at the code and start from there. It's all good, right? So that's a test for me. This is working just fine in here, and try them out. So what we could do, for example, is an extra test here. Ctrl-Alt-T. If we do sudo nano etc and then mirror list, right? etc pacman.t mirror list. We got this, and I don't, well, I told him the Arch install, I told him to go get everything from Sweden, knowing that Osbeck is in there. But if I say apply the best servers, then I'll go in again, and this is my selection, right? First one, get it from there, then there, then there, then there. That's my selection of servers. So you can do something similar for if you're living in the other part of the world, make your own personal selection there. The keys, you know what it is. It launches Alacrity, and it will get the keys in and fix the key. So the script of fix key known by all ArcoLinux users. So that's that. Then we have a full test for ArcoLinux App. I knew it was going to work, but okay. This, as you see, takes time, and maybe it's good that you see this in videos. They say, what's going on? It's broken. That's typically, well, normal. It takes time. There you go. Done. You can close this window. Now we're done. And now the button is not colorful anymore. And that's it. Remove maybe. If we do sudo nano etc pacman.conf, whoa, right? Go down, 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 down. Then you know that the ArcoLinux testing here is here. ArcoLinux repo third party, they're all here. When I remove them and I ask them again, they're all gone. There's nothing there. So we're back basically on pure Arch, sudo pacman -s yyuu, which means no access to the 800 plus packages at all. But right, that's what you wanted. You removed it and you installed it again. Let's see, there they are, right? Control X, update again. There you are. And this one, yeah, this is just a long version of going to get Arch ISO. That's installed or not, right? He's gonna install it and then he's gonna build it. So basically he's already busy and he's building it, but I've done other videos about that, so that's no need to test that. Basically you get in your home folder. So we've told him to go to the home folder like this, and in here there will be the ArcoLinux x86 and a date and a year, a month and a day, right? And then next session, ISO, done. And you burn it on USB, and that's how I installed the system you're looking at right now. It is, well, not anymore. It was pure Arch, and we've added now some stuff from ArcoLinux, and that's it, right? A distro is Arch with some stuff, basically. All right. Enjoy.